viewers, today I'm going to tell you how you can take a screenshot of your computer screen with simple three methods. Now if you want to take a screenshot of a web page, open a web page you want. Now tap the button Print Screen SYSRQ on the right corner of the keyboard. After that, open the Paint application. Now click on Paste. And you can see the screenshot has been pasted on Paint application. Now you can save this screenshot by holding Ctrl+S and select the place you want to save this. Now you can see the screenshot is saved. Now the method number 2. Open the web page. Now hold the window key button and press on Print Screen and the screenshot has taken. Now search Pictures. Select the folder. You can see a folder named Screenshots. Open it. Now open the screenshot you just captured. That's how you capture the screenshot by this method. Step number 3 is very easy and simple. Method number 3. Search Sniping Tool. Open this app and click on New. Now select the area you want to take a screenshot. I want the screenshot of this only. The screenshot is captured. Press Ctrl+S and save this screenshot. Now you can see the screenshot is saved. Now that's are the 3 methods you can use to take a screenshot of your computer screen. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more updates.